Maharaj, how is it possible for one to, or is it possible for one to blend nature within their spiritual progress?
Well, spirituality is blending yourself with what you see. Nature is the world. It need not be a greenery like this. The world you create. You create and you enjoy. You blend yourself. That's called Layam. Srishti is you create the world. And Sthiti is sustenance, is you enjoy the world. But at the same time, you merge in the world. It's called Layam. Either the world is not there or you are not. Only one is there. That is blending with the nature. But then coming inward, always inside is true. Your true nature, with that you need to blend. What's your true nature? All the Sahasranama, Ashtotras, Slokas, they are there to tell you about your true nature. You are a splinter of this supreme consciousness, and your true nature is compassion, knowledge, forbearance, peace. All high qualities which you want to achieve are in fact your true nature. They are there inside. So if you blend with your true nature, irrespective of what is there in the world, that inner blending is what is required. For that to happen, like this sound is coming, when you distinguish the sound different from my sound, you find it a disturbance. When you feel that those birds are also trying to tell you something for this question, and a mother is in the form of the bird, then you don't find it, disturbance for you. So, blending with nature is a must for any spiritual progress, in the sense, Ekevaham, ultimately there is only one. Whether it's a world or a nature or a god or an icon or a yantra, everything is for play. You play, enjoy, don't play under any conditions, enjoy the game and merge. Merge means life is over. So that kind of the Tirodhana Krishna, Srishti Sthiti Laya Tirodhana Anugraha. These are called Panchakritya. So we are able to do the first Krityam, everybody, Srishti. I am able to create the world. After creating the world, I am not able to enjoy. This is my world. I created because of my thoughts from the brain. And I am not able to enjoy. So all the other 4 Krityas are gone. Only one Krityam you are able to. So what Lalita Sahasranam, any scripture says, you create a world, you are the Aham Brahmasmi. That's a Mahavakya. You created the world. It's your son, your child, brainchild. You enjoy Sthiti. Laya, you merge. And you take it back. That's why Yathasthanam Praveshaya. Tirodhana. Then the last one, 5th Krityam comes Anugraha. That means you enjoy the bliss. I made the game. I'm the creator. I'm the one who enjoyed. I'm the one who made it disappear. And that's what Ambal says in the 11th chapter of Durga Saptashati. I'm the one who created. So when you try to sync yourself with Ambal's words, is what is happening. So blending with nature is right.